English Standard 5. Poem number 29, A Lark. A Lark, written by Lawrence Alma Tedema, is a poem which throws light on how we are not happy in the situation we are in and long to be someone or something beyond what we are. There are times when we intensely wish to be something we are not. As the proverb goes, the grass is always greener on the other side. So, children, first I will read the stanza and then I'll explain you. The first stanza. Lark bird, soaring high. Soaring means flying or rising high in the air. Are you never weary? When you reach the empty sky, are the clouds not dreary? Weary means very tired. Dreary means dull and boring. Don't you sometimes long to be a silent goldfish in the sea? Long to means badly wish to do something. Here, the poet asks the larkbird, which soars high in the sky, whether it is tired. He also asks if it doesn't find the clouds very boring in the empty sky. The poet also wonders if it doesn't sometimes wish to be a silent goldfish in the sea. The second stanza. Goldfish, goldfish, diving deep, are you never sad? Say, when you feel the cold waves creep, creep means move slowly and quietly. Are you really glad? Say, don't you sometimes long to sing and be a larkbird on the wing? Here, the poet then asks the goldfish, diving deep in the sea, if it is never sad and whether it is really happy when it feels the cold waves creeping towards it. Lastly, the poet wonders if the goldfish doesn't sometimes long to sing and be a larkbird in flight. So, children, the poet has beautifully illustrated this through this poem where he asked both the larkbird and goldfish if they were really happy and not weary of the life they lead. Addressing the larkbird flying high in the sky, the poet asks the lark if he is not tired when he reaches the empty sky, the gloomy cloud. The poet wants to know from the lark if there are times when he longs to be a silent goldfish in the sea. The poet asks the goldfish diving deep in the sea that when the cold waves slowly and quietly creep over it, is it really enjoyable? He also inquires whether he doesn't long to sing and lead the life like a larkbird soaring high in the sky. A simple poem with beautiful illustrations and examples. The poet has conveyed a simple truth of life. So, children, I hope you all have understood this poem. There are certain meanings in between the explanation of the poem, and here are certain meanings. So, write all the meanings as well as the question answers in your fair notebook and study them. Thank you.